5 mind-blowing facts about the stock market crash triggered by Trump's tariffs. President Trump's historic Liberation Day tariffs have sent shockwaves through global markets. Here are 5 explosive truths behind the worst stock plunge since the pandemic, and why economists fear a recession is imminent. Fact number 1. The worst market crash since 2020. The Dow plunged 1,570 points, its steepest drop since 2022, while the Nasdaq nosedived 5.6%, erasing $300 billion from Apple's value in hours. The S&P 500 tumbled 4.4%, wiping out trillions in market wealth. Analysts call it worse than the worst-case scenario as tech giants like Nvidia and Tesla cratered. Fact number 2. A global domino effect. Japan's Nikkei sank 2.7%, Europe's stocks 600 fell 2.3%, and even safe havens like gold surged to $3,160 an ounce, a record high. The dollar hit its weakest level since October as investors fled to bonds, signaling a collapse in confidence. Fact number 3. Tech's tariff nightmare. Apple's faces 54% tariff on Chinese imports threatens its supply chain, sparking an 8.7% stock freefall. Chip makers like Nvidia and automakers like GM and Ford face similar chaos, with Trump's auto parts tariffs set to spike car prices by $6,000. Fact number 4. Recession fears go nuclear. J.P. Morgan warns tariffs could trigger a 2025 recession, adding $660 billion per year in taxes and spiking inflation by 2%. The Fed now eyes 3 rate cuts to salvage the economy, but stagflation risks loom. Fact number 5. Retail apocalypse and small business collapse. Nike plunged 12.7%, Ralph Lauren 17.4%, and Best Buy 15.3% as tariffs crushed consumer spending. The Russell 2000, tracking small businesses, crashed 6.1%, signaling a 20% loss since November. From trillion-dollar losses to global panic, Trump's tariffs are rewriting economic rules. Smash like if you're stunned. Subscribe for more market deep dives and debate. Is this economic patriotism or a self-inflicted crisis?